Hi Flutes, this is the video lesson for number 33. In this lesson, you're going to learn a new note, but before we start talking about notes, we need to clap and count it first. So even though we have a new note here, it doesn't change the rhythm. The way we count a half note is always going to be the same. If it's a new pitch or not, doesn't matter. It's always going to be a half note in this case. So I have the counts written out, and now let's just do a quick review. This note is white, it's not filled in, and it has a stem. That means it's the half note. 2 beats, one sound that lasts for 2 beats. The other half note, so we count this. 1, 2, this one would be 3, 4. These are quarter notes, they're filled in, all the way filled in with a stem. One sound, 1 beat. So we go 1, 2, this is back to our half note, 3, 4. Then here, same rhythm, same counts. Whole note. You can tell it's a whole note because there's no stem, and it takes up a whole measure. Then here we're back to our half notes, quarter, quarter, half note, quarter, 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 rest, a quarter rest, 1 beat of silence, and ending with a whole note. Now, I'm going to get my metronome turned on, and let's clap and count. All right. 1, 2, ready, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure your eyes are moving ahead. When we get to this rest, you're going to want to clap. Watch out for that rest. Be ready to throw it away. Open your hands and shout, whisper, 4. Let's do it one more time. From the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oops. I got caught in a pattern. There's a pattern where we have half note, quarter, quarter, half note, and then it repeats. Patterns are great for learning music, but you got to keep your eyes on the notes. My eyes started going all over the room looking at invisible butterflies. Let's try that again for me. I'm going to look at this, not at my camera. 1, 2, ready, beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, oh, it's the bell. Start right here. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now here's where the change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the next thing we do is after we clap and count, we look at the notes. Now, this new note here. Flute players, you're going to notice this is the first time where the stem is flipped around. Now, other instruments read their notes this way all the time. It means nothing except it makes it easier to read. When a note goes underneath the B line, it flips the stem around to the other side so that it makes it easier to read. If all of our notes kept going down, 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 our stems would poke into the music underneath it. So when it goes under the B line to the second space A, we flip the stem around. So now let's review our notes. Lines first. 1, 2, ready, go. E, G, B, D, F, E, G, B, D, F. These are the lines of my treble clef. Now our new note is not in a line, it's in a space. 1, 2, ready, go. F, A, C, E. F, F-A-C-E. Spaces spell my face. This is in a space. F-A-C-E. So we call it A. I have the fingering chart written above. My first two fingers are here. Pinky is here on this bottom key. And my thumb is in the back. Now you can be on paddle or teardrop. In this case, I'm going to use teardrop because I'm going to be playing lots of B flats. And it's much easier for me to go from A to B flat with my thumb on the teardrop. Notice how my hand is curled around, my fingers curled around here to hug the flute. Okay? This is going to be a low note. How do I know it's low? Because it is down here at the bottom of my staff. So I'm going to use nice relaxed air. Set it here, find my sweet spot. And you just relax the A out. Now you might have this sound come out. That's also A, but that's a high A, and that one is way up here. If you got the high A, that means your hole is very small and you're blowing upwards. To play the low notes, we use nice, warm, relaxed, easy air. I love low notes. They're my favorite. So play that A a bunch of times, pause the video, take a minute, play the A 100 times until you feel nice and confident with it, and then we're going to show and tell. Now, if you can't say it, you can't play it. If you want to break this step into two pieces where you just say it first, that's perfectly fine. But make sure you don't start playing the whole song until you can say it with the metronome. Okay? So, let's just do letters right now. Notice our key signature tells us that every B is automatically a flat and every E automatically E flat. So let's start here. B flat, A, B flat, C, D, C, A, B flat, B flat, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, C, A, rest, B flat. Now I was just going through and identifying. Don't write in any note except for the new one. I will let you write in the newest note. So let's identify all the A's. Here, 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 and that's it. So let's do it with our show and tell now. I'm going to keep my fingers closer here so you can see and get out of the camera range a little bit. There we go. I think that'll be good. 1, 2, ready, go. B flat, A, B flat, C, D, C, A, B flat, B flat, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, C, A, sh, B flat. Now, what if that was too fast? What if you stuttered? What if you stumbled? Well, slow it down. Okay, this is the speed that's comfortable for me. Did it start off this fast? No. Okay, I started it slower. You should too. Okay? But this is just to show you the fingerings. You can pause, rewind as many times as you want. Now, practice that. Repeat it. Do not do this next step until you can say it perfectly. All right, now let's play it together. Find your sweet spot. Our first note is B flat. Now I'm going to stand over here so I can read it. There you go. 1, 2, ready, go. again, this time without me looking back and forth. I think I have it up here now. Keep your eyes on the music as you play. One, two, ready. All right, guys, have fun practicing.